Hello, wonderful listeners. I'm Beatrice Bale, and today we're diving into a fascinating and important question. Is there a need for a new technology ethics? As technology continues to shape our lives in extraordinary ways, let's explore its impact and uncover what it means for our future together. We are living in the age of technology, where advancements in artificial intelligence, genetic enhancements, and automation continue to push the limits of what is possible. Every day, new innovations reshape our world, making tasks easier, expanding human potential, and redefining the boundaries of what we once thought was science fiction. AI driven assistants streamline our work, genetic engineering offers possibilities once unimaginable, and automation is transforming industries. But as we move forward at an unprecedented pace, we must ask ourselves a deeper question. Just because we can, should we? Technology has always been designed to serve humanity, to simplify life, solve problems, and drive progress. From the printing press, which revolutionized knowledge and literacy, to artificial intelligence, which is now transforming entire industries, each innovation has been a leap forward. We have created tools that have extended human life, connected the world, and unlocked new creative possibilities. But as technology evolves at an exponential rate, it is no longer just an external tool. It is starting to shape us in ways we may not fully understand. At what point does it stop serving our needs and start redefining who we are, changing not just how we live, but the essence of what it means to be human? We have reached an era where technology is no longer just assisting us, it is redefining us. AI can now compose symphonies, write novels, and paint stunning works of art that rival human creativity. It can analyze complex medical data to diagnose illnesses faster than doctors and generate solutions beyond human capability. Genetic engineering has given parents the ability to alter their child's DNA before birth, selecting traits and eliminating genetic disorders in ways that blur the line between science and ethics. Automation is rapidly replacing entire industries, making traditional human labor less necessary and leaving millions questioning their role in the workforce. With these advancements accelerating, we must ask, are we truly enhancing our lives? Or are we altering the very fabric of our humanity? Some scientists warn of a future where technology outgrows its creators, the singularity. This is the hypothetical moment when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence and begins making decisions on its own, independent of human oversight. Imagine an AI so advanced that it understands the universe in ways no human ever could, making choices beyond our comprehension. Would we still have control? Or would we find ourselves at the mercy of an intelligence greater than our own? Could we coexist with something that surpasses us in every way? Or would we become obsolete in its eyes? These are no longer distant concerns for the future. They are questions we must start answering today. But the challenge of AI dominance is not the only issue. Another major concern is access. Who will truly benefit from these advancements? Right now, only the wealthiest individuals and corporations can afford cutting-edge technologies, from genetic enhancements to AI-driven education and cybernetic upgrades. If this trend continues, we could be heading toward a future where only the privileged have the means to enhance themselves, while the rest of humanity is left behind, creating an even deeper divide between the powerful and the powerless. Are we building a future where progress is equally shared, or are we creating a new class system, where those with access to technology evolve beyond those without it? These are not distant science fiction concepts. They are real and pressing ethical dilemmas we face today. AI rights are becoming a topic of debate as we consider whether intelligent systems deserve legal and moral protections. Parents now have the ability to manipulate the genetics of their unborn children, making irreversible choices that will shape future generations. Automation is reshaping economies, leaving governments and societies scrambling to adjust to a world where human jobs are disappearing. The pace of technological progress is accelerating, and while innovation brings excitement and possibility, we must take the time to pause, reflect, and fully grasp the long-term consequences before it is too late. Technology itself is neither good nor evil. It is merely a tool, neutral in its existence but powerful in its application. The responsibility of its use falls on us, the creators, the policymakers, and the users. Will we harness its potential to build a better world, one that uplifts all of humanity? Or will we allow it to spiral beyond our control, serving the interests of the few while leaving the many behind? These are decisions we must make now, because the future is not something we simply step into. It is something we actively create with every choice we make. Ethical considerations shape the development and deployment of technology. Governments, corporations, and society play crucial roles in determining how innovations impact the world. Regulation, corporate responsibility, and public awareness dictate whether technology benefits humanity or deepens existing divides. Technology influences mental well being. Social media and digital platforms are designed to retain attention, often at the expense of emotional and psychological health. Excessive screen time contributes to anxiety, reduced concentration, and weaken human connections. The balance between digital engagement and real world interaction defines the mental health impact of modern technology. Digital manipulation is reshaping reality. Deepfake technology allows the creation of hyperrealistic but entirely false narratives, undermining trust in media, institutions, and individuals. As misinformation spreads at an unprecedented scale, distinguishing fact from fiction becomes an increasingly complex challenge. Artificial intelligence is evolving from specialized tasks to general problem solving. The development of artificial general intelligence (AGI) presents the possibility of machines that think, learn, and reason at human levels or beyond. This advancement carries both unprecedented opportunities and profound risks, requiring careful oversight and ethical consideration. Privacy is becoming an illusion in the digital age. Governments and corporations collect vast amounts of data, analyzing personal behaviors, preferences, and interactions. Facial recognition, online tracking, and AI-powered surveillance create a world where digital footprints are inescapable. The balance between security and individual freedom continues to shift. Space is no longer the domain of scientists alone. Private companies, governments, and investors are exploring resource extraction, colonization, and interplanetary travel. The commercialization of space raises questions about ownership, governance, and the long-term ethical implications of extending human influence beyond Earth. Human enhancement through biotechnology and cybernetics is redefining physical and cognitive limits. From genetic modifications to neural implants, scientific advancements offer the potential for increased intelligence, strength, and longevity. However, unequal access to these enhancements could create deep social divides, fundamentally altering the definition of humanity itself. Technology is a reflection of human intent. It carries neither inherent morality nor bias. It is shaped by those who develop, implement, and regulate it. The direction of technological progress depends on deliberate choices, ethical considerations, and collective responsibility. As society advances, awareness, accountability, and foresight will determine whether innovation serves humanity or dominates it.